This is Ramya Krishna from McB. My roll number is 17241A0371. In this video, I would like to explain about shell mold casting process. First of all, shell mold casting, which is also known as shell molding, which is most used casting process for thin and complex sections, and this process gives high accuracy and good surface finish. Most of the industrial products like gearbox housing, small size boats, truck hoods, camshaft, connecting rod, cylinder heads and valve body, etc. are made by shell molding. Coming to shell molding process, this process involves 5 steps and step 1 making of metal pattern. The first and most important step involves in every casting process is pattern making. Pattern is a replica of the final product. It can be made by wood, plastic, metal, etc. Shell molding uses a metal pattern along with the all pattern allowance. Now the step 2, heating of pattern. The metal pattern created by other casting process is now heated at a temperature range between 180 to 250 degrees centigrade, and this heating is essential which allows to solidify resin mixed silica when poured on it. After heating, a small layer of lubricant, mostly silicone, sprayed over metallic pattern which allows easy removal of metallic pattern from shell. Now coming to step 3, shell mold creation. This step is the major step in this casting process, and this step can be further classified into following steps. First, the pattern is clamped over a dump box. Now this assembly is turned face down. A mixture of sand and resin is filled into the dump box. Now this whole assembly is inverted, which allows sand resin mixture fall over heated pattern, and a layer of mixture which is in direct contact with pattern becomes hard and form a shell. The thickness of the shell is mostly depend on the temperature of the pattern and the time duration of contact. Now the dump box is again inverted, which allow to remove extra sand resin mixture. After it, metallic pattern is removed from the dump box and shell is separated from it. The other half of the mold is also created using the same technique. Now step 4, mold assembly. These steps assemble all the shells created by the shell molding, and all the required shell assembly assembled into a flask and supported by a baking material. All desirable parts like coats, runner, riser, etc. are attached to it. Now step 5, casting formation. Now the cavity is filled with a molten metal and allowed to solidify. After solidification, the metal cast is removed by breaking the shell. The casting formed by this process is highly accurate and well finished. Generally, it does not require further machining. And this is the final casting. Now coming to the merits and demerits of shell mold casting. First of all, merits. Thin and complex section can be easily cast, high dimension accuracy and good surface finish, easily automated, and it can be operated by a semi-skilled operator and no further machining required. Coming to demerits, special metal pattern required which makes it expensive for large casting, and it is not suitable for small batch production, and shell molds are less permeable compared to green sand mold. Size and weight limitation. These are some of the demerits of shell molding. Thank you.